Question number 5 from exercise 2.2. Listen the question. If P1 power x1 into P2 power x2 into P3 power x3 into P4 power x4 is equal to 113400, where P1, P2, P3 and P4 are the primes in ascending order and x1, x2, x3, x4 are the integers, find the value of P1, P2, P3, P4 and x1, x2, x3, x4. So first write your condition which is given in the question. Let me have it as prime factorization tree method. So write this. One lakh 13,400. It can be simplified as 2 into 56,700. We can simplify this as 2 into 28,350. We can simplify this as 2 into 14,175. It can be simplified as 3 into 4,725. Again it can be simplified in 3 table 15,575. Again we can simplify this in 3 table 525. Again we can simplify this in 3 table 175. It can simplify in 5 tables 35 times. Again we can simplify this 35 in 5 tables 7 times. 7 can be simplified in 7 tables 7 into 1. So write these factors. 1,13,400 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is nothing but 2 power 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is nothing but 3 power 4. 5 into 5, nothing but 5 square. 7 into 1, nothing but 7 power 1. So write all these things and compare with the equation given in the question. P1 power x1 into P2 power x2 into P3 power x3 into P4 power x4. So compare this equation with these factors. Here P1 is nothing but 2 and the power x1 is nothing but 3. So P2 is 3 and x2 is equal to 4. P3 is the base 5 and x3 is the power 2. P4 is the base 7 and x4 is the power 1. So P1, P2, P3, P4 is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the primes and the integers are 3, 4, 2 and 1. That's all. Question number 6 from exercise 2.2. Listen the question. Find the LCM and HCF of 408 and 170 by applying the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. 408 and 170. So first let us find the factors using the prime factorization tree method. 2 into 204, 2 into 102, 2 into 51, 2 into 17, 3 into 17, 17 into 1. Again we can divide, we can find the factors using factorization tree method. 2 into 85, 170, 5 into 17, 85, 17 into 1, 17. So write the factors. 408 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 power 3, 3 power 1 and 17 power 1. 170 is 2 power 1, 5 power 1 and 17 power 1. To find the HCF, how to find the HCF? To find the HCF, we have to write the common prime factors and least power. Common prime factors. What are the common prime factors here? 2 and 2. So 2, 17, 17. So 17. So 2 and 17 are the common prime factors between 408 and 170. So least power. Least power, which is the least power? Minimum power is 1. So 2 power 1, 17 power 1. 2 into 17, 34. So the HCF is 34. Next let us find the LCM. To find the LCM we have to write prime factors of 408 and 170. What are the prime factors of 408? 2 into 3 into 17. What are the prime factors of 170? Already we have 2 here. We can write 5 alone. So 2, 3, 5, 7. And greatest power. To find the HCF we have to write the least power. To find the LCM we have to write a greatest power. What are the greatest power for 2? The greatest power for 2 is 3 and the greatest power for 3 is 1. and the greatest power for 5 is 1, and the greatest power for 17 is 1. So 3, 1, 1, 1. So 2 power 3, 3 power 1, 5 power 1 and 17 power 1. Multiply these things, you'll get 2040. So the LCM is 2040 and the HCF is 34. Question number 7 from exercise 2.2. Listen the question. Find the greatest number consisting of 6 digits which is exactly divisible by 24, 15 and 36. So write the numbers first, 24, 15 and 36. Find the factors for using a factorization method for 3 of the given factors, which is 24, 15 and 36. 2 into 12, 2 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 1. Here 3 into 5, 5 into 1. Here 2 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 3s are and 3 into 1. So write here 24, 1, 2, 3. So 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. 15 we can write it as 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. 36 can be written as 1, 2. So 2 power 2 into 1, 2. 3 power 2. So 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. Next, write your prime factors of 24, 15 and 36. The prime factor for 24 is 24, 15 and 36. What are the given prime factors? 2, 3 and 5. Already we have 2 and 3, so we can write 2, 3 and 5. Next, greatest power. Which is the greatest power for 2 is 3. Greatest power for 3 is 2. And the greatest power for 5 is 1. So 3, 2, 1. Let me have it as 2 power 3, 3 power 2 and 5 power 1. So 2 cube is 8, 3 square is 9, 5 power 1 is 5. 8, 9 into 5, 360. So the LCM is 360.